So next we are going to place another 3D view. The 3D view we're going to be placing is inside the lobby. Like so. So once we've created our camera view, again, increase the detail level to fine, our visual style to realistic. We can also turn on our shadows. We can then adjust our sun setting. We can bring some sunshine into the lobby. As well as that, what I want you to do is I want you to populate the lobby with components. So we're going to go back to our ground floor plan. I'm going to go to our architecture tab, and there's our component. Place a component. And in here, there's a couple of, there's some components loaded in already. The ones that I want to use here, there's a couple of trees. So I'm just going to place a few trees around the outside. And then we're going to start to place some components inside, like desks, people, more lamps, and so on. So if you want to choose some trees and just place them around the outside of the building. And then we'll go back into place component. We'll now go to load family. And in here, there's a few different components that we can place. So the first one I'm going to go to is the furniture folder. So double click on the furniture. And I'm going to go to tables. And it's up to you what you want to choose to put into the lobby itself. I'm just going to put in a few. You can follow me, or you can just add in what you like. So I'm going to go and add in a reception desk. So in the library, I'm going to be looking into the furniture folder. To place people into the model, I'm going to go to entourage. And in there we have male and female. So if you place one in, when you go back to place another person, go to the type selector and you have a choice of 4. Okay, so from the library, I've just placed a couple of couches, a coffee table, some people. Here's a reception desk and 2 chairs. And once you're happy with what you've placed in, we can then go back to our camera view. So if you come to the heading 3D views, there is our 3D view 3. So before we render, what I'm going to do, we're going to place an image in the background. So how we do that, we'll go into our render. So go to view, presentation, render. Then go to the background section, select image. You want to open the folder with the PDFs, tags, and so on. And in there is the city landscape. So if we press open, and we have a preview, and there we can scale it if we want. And when we press OK, we don't actually see a preview on until we render it. So I've got my quality setting set to draft, my resolution set to screen. The lighting, I'm choosing exterior sun and artificial. The reason I'm choosing that and not the interior sun and artificial, if I choose the interior sun and artificial, it's going to be too bright inside, so it's going to be overexposed. So I'm going to choose the exterior sun and artificial. So now we'll choose the render. So we can see all of our internal lights are on. We can see our background image, the shadows cast through the main curtain wall. You can of course go and adjust the exposure. So you can increase the brightness, change the highlights, make the shadows a bit darker. And once you're happy, we'll then save it to project. And I'll call this one View 3.